Hey guys, this is my first tutorial in UDK. I'm going to show you how to make custom textures to apply to like your terrain once we get to that. Um, so the first thing that you need to do is find a image from Google or wherever you want to search from here. Just type in something like mud and just click enter. Go over here to images and let's see. Let's find a good mud texture somewhere here. Here, let's use this one. Save it to your computer. Once it loads, just right click, save picture as. If the one will pop up, just save it to your pictures or whatever. Name doesn't really matter, just know what it is. Save. Okay. The next thing you need to do is go to Photoshop, because Photoshop you can use it to resize it and turn it into a BMP file. So here we have Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can go to Pirate Bay, but I'm not responsible. Just letting you know you can get it there for free. Go to File. Open the picture you just saved, which would be, which one is it? This one. And open. And you see it's really big. We need to resize this because in UDK, it only accepts pictures that are like size power of 2 or something like that. If you have this little button here selected when it opens, when you change one, let's say we want to make it 512, which is power 2, it changed this to 384. So by default, I think this button is selected, but you don't want that. So just uncheck that, and then you're able to modify the second one without modifying the first one. So you make that 512 by 512, press OK. You need to go to File, Save As. Name doesn't matter. What matters is this right here, BMP. This is what UDK recognizes. It doesn't recognize really anything else. I think it also recognizes PSD or pod, but I'm not sure. I haven't tried it. BMP works for sure. Press Save. Press OK when this little window pops up here. Exit Photoshop. Go to your content browser in UDK if I can find it. It's somewhere here. I think I exited it. Let's see. View, Windows, content browser. There we go. There's our content browser. You need to go down to import. Choose wherever you going to import this material to. I'm going to import it to my folder right here. What you need to do is you need to right click. You can go to import, or alternative, you can go down here and press import. Find the one you just customized. I think it's this one, dry mud. Press open. And then this little box, you can name it and choose your package you want to put it in or whatever. I'm going to choose, I'll just leave the default as my package and move it later. But yeah, just press OK. And you have your little 2D texture here. The problem is it isn't a texture yet. Still a couple things you got to do. Alright, with this selected, right click, or, am I saying right click? Or, oh yeah, okay, left click, sorry. In a minute. Yeah, sorry, right click, I'm too high right now. Anyway, left click, and go to new material, down here, somewhere. And this little window will pop up here, name your material, I'm going to say dry mud. Since that's what it is. Just go ahead and name it dry mud, press OK. And this little window will pop up here, and this little box will also appear. This is where your texture or material is going to be applied to. But in order to make it the texture into a material, you have to click this with this little window here open, right? And then you click inside, hold T, and right click. I'm sorry, left click. I always get those confused. And then you connect it to diffuse here, and click this little something ain't right. Hold on here. Rate link. Something isn't right. Let me do something here. It's coming in black. Oh, that's because I'm choosing the wrong thing. Sorry. I'm feeling really dumb right now. Drum mud, sorry, this one. Okay, hold T, left click, connect it to diffuse. There we go, there's my texture. Sorry, got a little confused there. I had this one selected and not this 2D texture. Anyway, check this button. What that does is it applies to this little box right here. Now that's your material and you can use it in your game or whatever. Just for a smoother tutorial, I'll go back and do it one more time just to make sure you got it right, because I know I messed up there. What we want to do is find us another texture here. Let's go back here. Let's use this one, the oil looking texture here. Let's say picture as, okay. Minimize this. Open Photoshop. If I still have it open, I don't. I'm gonna reopen it. File, open. Find your newly downloaded texture here somewhere. I think I'm blind again. There it is. Press open. Go to image size. Change the size 512 by 512. That has to be by the power 2. And that button. Okay, 5.2. I want to. Press OK. And there it's resized. File. Save as. Go to your little BMP right here. That's make sure it's that file type or it won't work. Press save. OK. Exit Photoshop. Exit Photoshop. Okay, there we go. Alright, go click anywhere. Go to import. Find your image that you just saved. Or modified and saved. Press open. Press OK. You got the 2D texture here. You need to make sure you got it selected. Go to right click on here. Go down to new material. Name it. Just say oil, since I don't think we have oil yet. Press OK. And then this little window will pop up as before. Make sure you have the oil texture selected. Click in the little window. Hold T. Left click. And then click it to diffuse, click the check mark, and now our material appears here. That's 2 times I showed you. If you need to go back and watch it. I would build, I don't know, 20 or 30 different textures here for my little tutorial series. I'm going to show you how to apply them to like terrains or whatnot. Some good terrain or material ideas is like rock textures, mud, dirt, grass, leaves, marble, gravel, stuff like that. That's builds you a good library. So when you actually start making your game and making your terrain, you don't have to go back and deal with importing and modifying all this to create you a new texture. It's just save you some time. But like I said, next tutorial will be on how to create a terrain. Hope to see you next time. Bye.